What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the HHR a little bit more, trying to clean it up a little bit. It's extremely dirty. Like I said in the last video, it's been sitting for quite a few years, and it's got tree sap all over it and dirt and leaves, and I don't know how well. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it in the video there. But anyways, we're going to do our best and see what we can do with just a little cheap pressure washer I found a buddy of mine had for 40 bucks. I was like, oh yeah, I wouldn't buy it. It works. I've already pressure washed my truck, and it works fairly well. So today we're going to get to working on this beauty, see what it looks like after I'm done. I'm going to throw it into a time lapse, doing a little bit. I'm not going to make y'all watch the whole car wash video, but I'll do little tidbits here and there. I'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright, y'all. I think that's going to do it for today. Come back. I'll be back tomorrow, which will be just a second for you guys. We're going to try to do a compression test on this car. It's got a miss in one of the cylinders. I can't remember what cylinder it was. But we'll do a compression test on all the cylinders and kind of see what the issue may be. I may have to get a bore scope to look down inside the cylinder, see what exactly might be going wrong, if one of the cylinders is got low compression. But we'll be back in just a minute. Alright guys, welcome back. It's been a little bit longer than what I expected it to be before I got back to work on here. I know in the video I just said be a day or so and then I'd be back at it. Well, it's been probably a month or so. Just haven't had time, had some other stuff going on. Anyways, I decided to tear the head off the car and see if I could figure out what the misfire in cylinder number 4 was. Well, the good news is I found it. So this here's cylinder number 4. Piston looks decent. I mean, it's got a couple burnt spots on it and whatnot. 3, 2, and 1 are all burnt. You know, the tops of it's burnt. I gotta figure out what I can do there exactly. But for the misfire issue, so there's cylinder 1, all valves are burnt. Cylinder 2, all valves are burnt. 3, all valves are burnt. And cylinder number 4, I'm pretty sure that's my issue. I'm not pretty sure. I know it's for sure the issue. But I just wanted to come back on here, kind of give you guys an update of what was going on. Hopefully I can get the stuff ordered and get this car back together here within the next couple weeks. But as far as that, I guess I'll go ahead and end the video off here, and then I'll keep you guys informed of what I do next. Alright, thanks guys.